We had this really wonderful family friend growing up who had beautiful gardens. During the summers in my undergrad, I'd visit him on Saturdays when I was back at home taking summer school botany classes. We were learning plant tax. And I think just like working in the garden, watching pollinator pest interactions, and then seeing these types of patterns with my friend, that was a real spark for me. I am involved with this awesome team of folks at the Santa Barbara Botanic Garden. We're working on a specific plant species called Lompoc yerba santa, Eriodictyon capitatum, which is this federally endangered plant that occurs in only a handful of areas of Santa Barbara County. I think like one of the coolest days of my career was when we had this experiment meant to test different treatments on the species seeds to see if we could get any of them to germinate. And it was liquid smoke in combination with darkness. And that's the treatment that was successful. And it was just this really interesting finding indicating to us, the species' natural history is reliant on a natural fire regime. So we worked to publish our findings. I'm really happy to say that we're continuing to collaborate together and to expand working partnerships for the species, to try and help out this plant. I feel very grateful for the women who forged the road in front of me to allow me to have a career in science. I think it's just really important to be cognizant that it really wasn't that long ago that women were considered a gender anomaly in their fields. I have a lot of gratitude towards those before me that gave me this luxury of not having to question sitting in a classroom, pursuing field jobs. I don't have to question whether or not I belong in an area because I'm a woman. Life is just really filled with opportunities if you're actively looking for them. So get out there and raise your hand to help. Work in labs, help with field work, see if you can shadow any sort of professional that does work that you're vaguely interested in, and just ask a ton of questions. One other thing I think is really important to say is that show up on time and make a good impression on folks, because those little things can carry you a really long way.